Hello and welcome back to my channel PrequelCoder. So in this video, let us discuss about a new programming language called as Python. All these days we were discussing about C, its program efficiency, and many more about C only. So in this video, let us go and explore our limits of programming today. So at random, I'll be posting this kind of videos. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting content. So let us first move on and discuss about Python. So Python is an open source licensed programming language which is used for development only. So unlike we use Java, HTML, CSS and other programming language for development. So Python also offers us development we can develop software, and it is also helpful for the backend developers to write the web services and APIs. I mean APIs in the sense it will send the input to the output to the computer and will respond to the user back. So Python can also be used for data science development and machine learning and many more. So by using Python, we can also develop a AI system. So leave it all aside. So in this video, we will discuss about a guessing game in Python. So the version of C also it will be releasing soon. So stay tuned for more updates. So what is on my screen now? Yeah, it's a code for the guessing game. So just wipe it off and rewrite it. Yeah, we have wiped it off. So this is a spider editor. So for the extraction, I will be doing it very soon. So let us just import a random. So we have erased something important also. Yeah, we have got it white. Import random. So import random is the same which is compared to hash include studio. So here we are using the hash include symbol to include our standard input and output console folders. So in Python, Java and Android programming languages, we go and use the import for efficiency and so in order to include all the packages at once, we use the import file. So in C, we go make it more complex by including studio.h, standard input and output, console, conio.h, and many more for, I mean, each one is stands for its own significance. So in Java and many other programming languages, we use import once to indicate that we are going to include the specific folder. So let us just go print the program for this now without wasting time. So let us just in, include some numbers. So our numbers will be in the range of random dot randint. Okay. So here randint in the sense it will import some integers or variables or data. I mean function integers. So let me just print 1 to 100, and I will print a statement to give me out my numbers. Okay. So let us just put the if condition. If guess is greater than 50, then we print a statement that if is the same, I mean its purpose is same in this programming language also, it is a conditional operator. So if you did not watch the conditional operator video, link is given in the description, you may go and watch it. You thing. Okay. So we have got print statement I think guess equals to uh, int. So we are going to define a data type into the input. Yes, uh, number. Okay. So to take care of the spelling mistakes, even the Python compiler will not check. So in order to not miss practice, you need to take care of the spelling mistakes. So here we done with the lines. Let me just end it. Okay. Uh, see. So you have to be very careful with the Python and unwantedly making mistakes so that you will not commit the same mistakes while coding. So for the source code, I'll give the link in the description. You may go and get it. Your guess is too high. So our game lies between guessing a number which is too high or low. According to what you give the input, it gives you out the same output. So we need to just print a line that your guess is too low. Okay. So our program is completed now. Just one. So let us just guess the number and just provide a proper structure to it now. Guess in the culprit. So guess is too high. So just the commit error. So guess is too high. So here we have again kept another operator. So here I am going to initialize greater than or equal to 50, then we win. So let me just put a number. So this is too low. This is too high. So we are going away from the number I want. Okay, just put a number. So the number which you're going to put more than 50, you're going to win. If it is less than 50, then you will lose. I mean, it's not important condition for it. Okay. So 150 is then out of our range. It is showing us 1. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel PrequelCoder for more interesting updates on C and Python and many other programming languages. And do not forget to share it across your friends for spreading your knowledge, because you can't be selfish. Okay. Uh, Thank you. Signing off for today.